Hello, welcome to a setup guide on getting the Thinkorswim vector after purchase. So after coming over to the wallet page and going through the checkout purchasing process, you can come over to the top left corner and click the drop down menu and click on the Fractal Exchange. From here, you should see a Thinkorswim vector tab. Click on it. And you are going to see all the links required to import it to your Thinkorswim. So feel free to right click any of them and click on copy link address. From here, we can go ahead and head over to Thinkorswim. Now that we are on Thinkorswim, we want to head over to the top right corner on setup, then click open shared item. Once you're here, go ahead and paste in the link you copied from the wallet page and click preview. It should now allow you to import the script. From there, you want to head over to this flask and search up vector. As you can see, it pops up right here. Simply double click, then click apply. After that, you want to do the same thing you did previously and head over to setup and import shared item once again to import the watch list vector. After you did that, come over here to your watch list tab, click on the small cog, click customize, and then go ahead and double click the vector. Click OK, and you now should see it appear. If you are still having trouble getting set up after watching this video, please open a ticket in RCG and we would be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.